Welcome to CyberPross. Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll get you started with the Greenbone Vulnerability Manager, or GVM. We'll first walk through the complete installation process. Then, we'll run the initial setup to download all the vulnerability data. Finally, we'll demonstrate how to start, verify, and stop the GVM services using the gvm-start command and its related utilities. First, we need to update our package lists, and then install the Greenbone Vulnerability Manager suite, which includes the tools we need like gvm-start. Next, we run the initial setup script. This process downloads and configures all the necessary vulnerability data feeds, which can take a very long time, so we've condensed it for this video. Now that setup is complete, we'll use the gvm-start command to launch all the required GVM services. Note the output, which gives you the web interface URL and the administrator password. After starting the services, it's a good practice to run the gvm-check-setup script. This verifies that all components are running correctly and the installation is healthy. Finally, to properly shut down the services and free up system resources, we use the gvm-stop command. This ensures a clean exit for all GVM components. And that's a wrap. You've successfully installed GVM, configured its data feeds, and learned how to manage its services. Your next step would be to log into the web interface and configure your first scan against a target. Remember, the goal of a vulnerability scanner like GVM is defensive. Use the reports it generates to find and fix weaknesses before an attacker can exploit them. Thanks for watching, and stay secure. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.